Okay, today we are going to estimate the fructose. The principle of fructose estimation is fructose, as we know, it is a keto sugar. It is found in fruits. It is also known as fruit sugar. Fructose is converted into hydroxy methyl furfuran in the presence of acid, and it reacts with the resorcinol and gives a slight red colored compound. The colored compound we will, the absorbance of the colored compound we will measure in a spectrophotometer at 520 nanometer. The rate of the reading will be proportional to the quantity of fructose present in the given sample. And for that we have to set some reagents. First we have fructose standard. Fructose standard, it is 10 milligram fructose is dissolved in distilled water and made up to 100 ml, that is 10 milligram fructose present in 100 ml. Hence the concentration is 0.1 milligram per ml. Next one is the test solution. In this solution fructose is also present, but the concentration of fructose present in this solution is unknown. That we have to find out, that we have to estimate. Another reagent is a resorcinol reagent. Its components and the preparation is already given to you. And this is the diluted HCl. The diluted HCl we can make by mixing 5 parts of concentrated HCl with 1 part of distilled water. Next, we have to take 3 test tubes. First one labeled as blank. Second one labeled as yes, that is standard, and third one labeled as test, that is test. First, in blank we have to take 1 ml distilled water. In the next test tube, that is in standard, we have to take 1 ml standard solution from the standard flask, and in the third test tube, that is labeled as test, we have to take 1 ml test solution. Then we have to add resorcinol reagent, 1 ml resorcinol reagent to all the 3 test tubes. All the 3 test tubes we have to add 1 ml resorcinol reagent. Then finally we have to add diluted HCl, that is 7 ml diluted HCl. We have to add all the 3 test tubes. It will take some time and I will add and come back. Okay, I have added 7 ml diluted HCl in all the 3 test tubes. Mix it well. Mixing is important, otherwise the reaction will not be completed. After that we have to keep all these test tubes in a boiling water bath at 80 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Okay, let us keep it in the boiling water bath. The incubation is over, and this is the blank, and this is the standard. There is a color difference when compared with the blank, and in test also there is a color difference. The next step is the reading the absorbance of all these solutions, that is blank, standard and test, at 520 nanometer. For that, first we have to set auto 0 using the blank in the spectrophotometer. After that we can take the reading of standard and test. These are the observations. These are the readings of all these samples. The optical density of test sample is 0.024, and standard 0.047, and that of blank is 0. And we have a formula for calculating the unknown concentration of fructose. The fructose present in 100 ml test sample is equal to reading of the test, that is OD of the test, into concentration of standard, that we have already known, that 0.1 milligram, and into 100 divided by reading of the standard. Next we have to add these values in the places. First 0.024, that is the reading of test, into 0.1 milligram, that is the concentration of the standard, into 100 ml divided by 0.047, that is the reading of standard. Finally we get the answer 5.10 milligram of fructose present in the 100 ml of given test solution.